nyt on ehkä tänään ollut niin liukasta muutenkin, että raskaampi keli ne ehkä tekee, että ei pääse ihan niin lähelle. Morning, it has been like very enjoyable like it was yesterday, but today the road surface was more moisture like it before yesterday, so some places are very slippy, but it seems to be like we have a good tire also for wet travel, so I was very happy for the morning, no issues at all.